Introducing this beautiful 2011 Honda Odyssey Conversion van. Offering an AMS van's automatic fold-out ramp system. This vehicle features a 3.5-liter VTech engine and around 64,000 miles. With the touch of a button, your ramp will stow or deploy. Also equipped with leather seats and a sunroof. Regain your mobility independence and freedom with this 2011 Honda Odyssey Conversion van. Call AutoMobility store and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.